going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. Keep it coming. And do not forget the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we have Bitcoin hitting an all-time weekly close. And then plus, we have VanEck Bitcoin Futures ETF to launch on CBOE on November 16th. And guys, remember the CBOE, stop adding Bitcoin futures. Remember back in 2017, they launched right along with CME. And then 2019, they stopped adding. Now they're coming back. And guys, we know why. Because the casino is wide open and we know they're going to short this baby right on down. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And don't forget, guys, we're going to have a roller coaster week. So do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Now circle to invest in Japanese yen stablecoin as part of the expansion in Asia. And guys, how many times have I told you? Do not forget to watch my Society 5.0 videos. They planned it all in San Francisco, the 4th Industrial Revolution. They said it out their own mouth, and I may redo another video later on today about that. Now also, guys, do not forget about the Fed. We know the Fed is manipulating yields. They're shrinking a little bit of liquidity, not a lot, but we know the beginning of next year, as we always do, January, February, March, we get a crash. And remember, 2022 is going to be the start of one of the worst times in American history. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Just like I stated, 2022, the first quarter, we're going to have a crash. The Fed has already said tapering will end by the summer of next year. And then going forward, guys, Babylon will just crumble. And that's the reason why cryptos, robots, algorithms, drones, these smart cities, this virtual world, Metaverse is so important because they want to take you out of reality. Now, guys, do not forget about Grayscale. We know they moved the market based on buying and selling billions of dollars in cryptos, guys. Just make sure you're watching the allocation. And then plus, guys, the roller coaster ride. We have back this week. Plus, of course, we always have Ethereum options on Friday. So Thursday and Friday, there's definitely going to be a roller coaster. But we have tomorrow, we have Van Eck launching Bitcoin futures. So we should get a pump and then a dump and then, of course, move back up over the weekend. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research, but get yourselves in position. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Litecoin rallies 37% in November. And we know a lot of people have forgotten about Litecoin, but anytime Bitcoin makes that big move, we know Ethereum and Litecoin moves right along with it. That's the reason why if you go on my Patreon, look at my New World Order cryptos. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But we're starting to see what the fourth industrial revolution actually needs. Now, we know the New World Order is using Twitter to pump these meme coins. Of course, we have Shiba Coin, Dogecoin. Do not get distracted. Yes, if you're a trader, you love it because you make money. A lot of people have made millions or even maybe a billion. Like I've taught you time and time again, buy you a little, put it to the side. Wait for it to actually pump again. Do not buy at highs, guys. We have so many people that are coming in buying at highs. We have over 14,000 cryptos. So definitely, guys, when the Fed decides to shrink this liquidity, everything's going to dump. The same way when it comes to the stock market. All stocks get hit, but the New World Order stocks always rise, and the same thing is going to happen when it comes to cryptos. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have why are major global brands experimenting with NFTs in the metaverse. And remember, guys, NFTs are nothing but tokenized goods. And if you're going to be in the virtual world, what do you need? Digital goods. So guys, real estate. Your food is even going to be 3D printed. This is coming, guys. It's already done. The scientist is going to be making your food, not a chef. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have Animoca Brands unveils plans for K-pop NFT metaverse. And we already see musicians getting into the NFTs. But guys, when it comes to algorithms are going to be writing your music. And in a virtual world, an avatar can just be created and then sing that algorithm song that was created. So nothing is going to be real. I know it sounds fiction, but remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. And lastly, guys, we have Paradigm launches a $2.5 billion venture fund for crypto company. And guys, the only thing I have to do is go to their portfolio. Guys, all this is a strategy, a plan to move this digital economy, cryptos, over into the fourth industrial revolution. You have to keep your eye on moves like this. $2.5 billion to help fund this global crypto digital transformation of the world's economy. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks at Zero, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, The fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.